waylaid at the entrance by uniformed men who cover them with automatic weapons.
So, Mrs. Harper, you managed to find someone to help you. It's hard luck on them. Get into that mine, all of you. That gallery is blocked. It leads nowhere. You now have a choice of how you wish to die. Starve in the mine or be shot trying to get out.
Reluctantly, they go into the mine. Murdoch makes a face.
This is the sort of behavior that gives the Army a bad name. That's not our Army, man.
One of the men seems to take pity on Julie and gives her a lantern.
I know how you dames like to be able to see to fix your faces.
Inside the mine, Julie turns to Hannibal.
That was the man who wanted to be a partner in the mine.
That doesn't surprise Hannibal, who takes the lantern.
Stay near the entrance, Julie. Give us a call if anything wrong. We'll look for another way out.
They search carefully, but all ways seem blocked. Then Murdoch starts to make chicken noises. B.A. is not amused.
But I've just found a chicken, and that chicken must have got in from someplace. If we chase it, maybe it'll show us the way out. What do we got to lose?
They shoo the chicken and follow it through a maze of tunnels. At last they see light ahead and hear voices coming from outside the mine. Murdoch sounds depressed.
Seems they're guarding this entrance too. What do we do? Throw rocks at him?
B.A. has a better idea, and he lifts Murdoch up onto his shoulder.
Lay possum, man. Lead on, chicken.
Hannibal moves forward the short distance towards the light, and B.A. comes behind, carrying Murdoch as easily as a child. Murdoch throws his head back and closes his eyes. He puts on a falsetto voice.
I declare, B.A., I didn't know you cared.
You'll see how much I care when I drop you.
Hannibal has almost reached the exit. He signals B.A. to be quiet. Cautiously, he peers out into the daylight. It takes a moment or two for his eyes to get accustomed to the glare after the gloom of the mine gallery. He sees 3 men in civilian clothes. For a moment, he thinks that perhaps they are farmer workers, for they seem to be looking for eggs left by the chickens who are pecking in the ground around their feet. Then he notices that they are armed with weapons similar to the uniformed men who pushed them into the mine. He creeps back to B.A. and Murdoch to report.
The guys out there are not in uniform, but they're obviously part of the same bunch. I guess the uniforms are at the front to make their activities seem legal to the locals. We're some distance from the main entrance of the mine and out of sight of the troops of the house. So let's go ahead as planned.
Murdoch groans, and Hannibal comes out of the mine with his hands raised, calling out as he does so,
"Don't shoot, you guys. We're unarmed, and my partner's carrying a sick man."
The 3 men come forward with interest as Hannibal walks towards them. B.A. is close behind, carrying a sagging Murdoch. One of the men calls on them to stop.
That's close enough.
Hannibal agrees.
Quite close enough.
B.A. lifts Murdoch above his head and slings him at the 3 men, who go down like pins in a bowling alley. Then he and Hannibal dive into the fray, and a great fight develops amongst the chickens and the straw. The men never get a chance to go for their guns, and the outcome is never in doubt. Hannibal hauls up his victim while Murdoch shoos away an over-inquisitive chicken.
Okay, farm boy. What's the caper?
The man is silent and scowls. Hannibal persists.
My big friend over there is very quiet himself, but he likes to make other people talk a lot. Do I make myself clear?
The man notices the way B.A. is dealing with his friend.
You made your point. So, what do you want to know?
The works. What's the big deal with the mine?
Gold. There's a rich new seam there that just needs opening out.
You mean you're just claim jumpers? Seems a very complicated operation just to try and run someone off their mine. You'd better try again, buddy.
I don't have to tell you nothing.
You're right. You don't need to tell me, and I'll tell you why. Because we fixed a little bug in your headquarters over there, and all your plans and secret goings-on have been carefully recorded.
Is that a fact? Now I'll tell you something, buddy. We found that bug of yours, and what's more, we found the guy who was listening in. We got him and his van.
The 3 members of the A-team look at each other.
They got face.
If that's the name of the guy in the van, we got him.
Swiftly, they tie up the men and dump them out of sight in a mine. Then they make their way up a small wooded rise. They peer over the edge and look down onto the main mine entrance with its new watchtower and the Army vehicles. Sure enough, there's another vehicle there now, the A-Team van. They see Face being thrust into the back and two uniformed men get in the front. Hannibal looks serious and turns to B.A.
They're right. They got Face and the van. What do you say, B.A.?
Nobody takes my wheels, man.
Hannibal turns to Murdoch.
Get back down the mine and collect Julie. Bring her down to the end of that track over there. We'll be waiting for you. Hurry!
Murdoch dashes off, and B.A. takes out a small electronic gizmo from his pocket. When the soldier starts the van's engine, B.A. presses a few buttons. He is holding a remote control unit for the A-Team van. To the soldier's surprise, the van leaps forward and swerves violently from side to side. The door flies open and the passenger is flung out. B.A. controls the van until it is brought to a halt alongside him. They capture the man who is trying to drive, and the A-Team and Julie quickly get inside. B.A. drives it off. They find Face safe and sound in the back.
I've got some fine recording. Those guys are politicals. They want to start a small war, and they were going to use the girl to buy weapons. These tapes will expose them and free Julie's husband.
When they are well clear, they stop, and with great pleasure, B.A. ties up the man who dared to try and drive away his van. They leave him with a copy of the incriminating tapes, in a place where he will soon be picked up by the authorities. They leave Julie at a hotel to await the release of her husband, and are soon speeding on their way back to L.A.